I hope you all are good. So, today we are going to begin with a lesson number 5, that is our houses. You know, what is a house? Yes, a house is a place where we live with our loved ones, where we live with our family members. It is a place where we feel safe and relaxed. A house protects us from thieves, it protects us from wild animals, it protects us from heat, cold, and rain. So let's begin with the types of houses. Here we are going to study about the houses and their types of houses and from what material they are made of. So let's explore this chapter with me. Here, first, we are going to study about Kacha houses in this lesson. Then we are going to study about what are Pakka houses. Then we are going to study about types of roofs, flat roofs, sloping roofs. Then we are going to study about a good house. What does a good house contains? And in the last, we are going to study about rooms in a house. How many rooms are there in a house? Here, Aryan, look what a lovely nest the sparrow has built. So, yes, it's really beautiful. This beautiful nest is her house. So, a girl is saying to Aryan, see what a lovely nest our sparrow has built on the tree. Then the boy says, yes, it's so beautiful nest, and it is the nest is the house of the sparrow. So we all need a place to live in. The place where we live is the house. We all need a place to live in. The place where we live in is called our house. The place where we live in, we live with our parents and family. That is known as our good house. It protects us from heat, cold, storm, rain, and wild animals. It protects us from so many things, from speech, from wild animals, from cold, from heat, storm, and rain. It also protects us from thieves and stray animals. Yes, it also protects us from stray animals also. People live in different types of houses. Yes, in India and in the world, people live in different kinds of houses in urban areas. People live in buildings, bungalows, and in pakkaus. And in rural area, people live in huts, havelis. So they are mainly of two types: kacha house and pakka house. Kacha house is the hut, and pakka houses are the buildings, the apartments, the bungalows, the proper house. So now let's talk about what are kacha houses. So kacha houses are mostly found in villages. They are mostly seen in villages and rural areas. They are made of material like wood, straw, bamboo, mud, and dry leaves. They are made from dry leaves. They are made from bamboos. They are made from wood. So this is the kacha house. They get damaged during storm, during rain, during winters. So the kacha houses are not permanent houses. So now let's move to the next type of house. Now let's talk about the pakka house. Pakka houses are found in cities. The houses that are made from rocks, that are made from stones, cements. They are known as the pakka house. Pakka houses are mostly found in towns and cities. They are made of material like cement, bricks, concrete, iron, and wood. They are made from these materials. You need to know in areas that are always cold and covered with ice, houses are made from ice blocks. Such houses are called igloos. The area where there is so much snow, where there is so much cold. Over there, the houses are made from snow blocks, the ice blocks. Those houses are known as igloos. So, here in this picture, you can see the pakka house. Pakka house looks like this. It is made from cement, bricks, concrete, iron, and wood. Now, let's move to the next page. Here, look at the pictures given here. They are all pakka house. Like single-story house is also a pakka house. Multi-storied house you can see in urban areas in Delhi and in many cities. These are the pakka house. Apartments, buildings are also the pakka house. Bungalows are also the pakka house. These all are the pakka houses. Now let's move further. So let's talk about the types of roofs. Every house has different kind of roof. In every area, there are different kinds of houses available with different kinds of roofs. Houses in different places have different types of roofs. Like houses in hot and dry places have flat roofs. The houses of these places have dry. They have dry places have flat roofs because it captures less heat because they have the highest roof which captures less heat. They have to keep the house cool in desert places, in dry places. There's so much of the sun and the hot temperature, so they keep their roof so high, which keeps the house cool. Now let's move to the next type of roof. Now a house with sloping roof. You know where there is sloping roof? In mountains, in snowy areas. Houses in places with heavy rain and snowfall have sloping roofs. The houses where in of have the places which have heavy rain and the places which have snowfall have sloping roofs because the snow or the rainwater will not stop on the roof. They have the snow and rainwater to slide down to the ground. The rainwater and the snow easily slides down to the ground. It helps to keep the house pure and clean. Now let's move to the next page. Here, a good house. Does that things a good house has? A proper ventilation. So, a good house is a neat and clean house. It has several doors and windows. A good house has so many doors and windows to let in sunlight and fresh air. It has a garden and proper water and sanitary arrangement. So it properly have everything: garden, sanitary arrangement, proper well drained, proper water. It has a dustbin to throw waste. You should keep your dustbin in your house to throw waste. You should not throw the waste here and there in your houses. It is very important for our health that we keep our house neat and clean. We should keep our house neat and clean because it is so much important for our health. If we will live in a dirty environment, we will be unhealthy. To keep the house neat and clean, we should sweep, and dust our house daily. Keep things in proper places in our house. We should keep all the things at proper places. Throw all the garbage outside the house into the covered dustbins. So these all the things a good house has. Now let's move to the next page. Now, how many rooms are there in a house? Rooms in a house are welcome. We welcome our guests in the drawing room. We attend our guests in the drawing room. Every house has a drawing room. And what is the dining room? Where we have our food. We take our meals in the dining room. We have meals with our parents and family in the dining room. Let's move further. Here, what we do in the kitchen? We cook food in the kitchen. Your mother cooks your food in the kitchen. Your father helps your mother in the kitchen. We freshen up and bath in the bathroom. We freshen up and bath in the bathroom. It keeps us fresh. We should keep our bathroom always clean. Now, where do you sleep? We sleep and take rest in the bedroom. This is the picture of the bedroom where we sleep and have rest. Now, what is storeroom? Where we store our things. We store things in the storeroom. This is the storeroom where we keep our leftover things and we keep our things that are not used daily. Now, let's check your knowledge, what you have learned till here. The very first question that you have to answer: which type of house is made of mud and straw? Igloo, hut, cocktail. Answer the right question. Answer the right. Yes, it is made. The huts are made from mud and straw. Now let's move to another question. Which house is found in snowy region? Hut, caravan, or igloo? Yes, igloos are found in snowy region. They are made from ice blocks. So that's all for this question era. So that's all for this chapter. I hope you have learned the types of houses and from what material they are made. So we should keep our houses clean. We should live in our house with our parents and family so nicely. We should treat everyone nicely in our house. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you have learned easily. See you in the next class.